So this is a question of graph of functions and graphical solutions. The topic graph of functions and graphical solutions, and the question is that the diagram shows the graphs of the graph of the equations y is equal to 2x, which is exponential equation, and y is equal to 2x plus 1, which is linear equation. This is exponential and this is linear equation. Okay, so obviously exponential functions curve is given here, so we write it y is equal to, this is part number A basically, I write it, and this is part number B. So this is y is equal to 2x, and this is the graph of the linear equation, that is y is equal to 2x plus 1. So two graphs are given, graph of exponential function and graph of linear equation. Both are intersecting at this point and at this point. Okay, so first part is state the gradient of the line y is equal to 2x plus 1, because this is a linear equation, so obviously quickly you will compare it with this equation. So m stands for gradient and m is 2 here, so the answer of the first part is 2. Second part is find the value of x such that x is greater than 0. So 2x plus 1 is equal to, and 2x plus 1 is equal to this. So when they have made both the equations equal, so it means you have to quickly look for the points of intersection. You will look for points of intersection. So one point of intersection is this. Here x is equal to 0. Here x is 0. So here the value of x is 0. And here the value of x, you will make a line. You will draw a line straight here, and it will be like meeting the x-axis here. So it will be like 2.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6 and 7. So the other value you will take as 2.70. Fine. So these are the answers for the first and second part. This is part number B. So part number B is the diagram shows the graph of y is equal to kax. K is basically y intercept. K in exponential function, the value of k is always the value of y intercept. So when we find the value of k, it is this point. Okay, because here the curve is intersecting y-axis, so we will quickly find out the value of this point. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 0.5. 0.5. So k is equal to 0.5. Now we have to find out the value of a. This is the equation, y is equal to k a x. Now quickly find a point where you can easily see the coordinates. Like if we take this value on the graph, here the value of x will be 1. So x is here 1, and the y will be here 1.5. 1.5 is the value of y is equal to 1.5. So the point will be like 1.1 comma 1.5. so now substitute these values here in the equation to get the value of a. So we will substitute these values. Y we will substitute as 1.5 equals to k we have found, that is 0.5, and a we are supposed to find out, and x we will substitute as 1. So now we will divide 1.5 by 0.5 equals to a, because a raised to the power 1 is a, and this will give you a is equal to 3. As you know that when we remove the decimal to simplify, so we will multiply both by 10, it will become 15, it will become 5, so 5 threes are 15. So 3 is the answer of the question. I hope you have understood. If there is any problem, you can talk to me at this number, and we can discuss. Okay, so no zero, so 20323407890. Okay, so take care, bye.